everybody, happy St. Patrick's Day. Today's video is going to be me roasting my failure of a makeup tutorial. As you can see, everything looks fine and dandy, but here we go. Here's the whitewashed image. You can't see anything that I'm doing, but I thought it might be fun to talk you through it anyway in case you guys wanted to try it out. Here I'm using a primer on my face. This is by Smashbox. Try to even out my acne situation. Then I use a different eyeshadow primer for my eyelids. Next I use my Tarte foundation to try to cover up all the tiredness on my face. I put this all over the face and then I use a cream contour shade. It's about 2-3 shades darker than my skin to even it out. I'm pretty much just baking, letting the powder sit there. I know a lot of people don't like baking. I personally like it for makeup tutorials on camera. This is an actually interesting find. This is the product Eyelure, and I just found it at Ulta, and it's a brow pomade. It smells kind of funky. It smells like dishwasher soap, but I like dishwasher soap, so I have no problem with it whatsoever. Next, I'm applying an olive shadow to my outer lid and inner crease. This is going to create more of a smoky effect, and later on I put on gold pigment eyeshadow, which I also put gold glitter on. Of course, you know I love my inner eyeshadow glam, so I put a light goldish pigment eyeshadow on the inner corners. I'm also about that high arched brow, so I also applied that same pigment to my brow bone. At this point, it is time to take off the powder, and this is where blending comes in handy. I know every makeup artist has their own different ways of blending powder, but I personally like to go in circular motions, backwards and forwards. This helps me create a smoother and even skin and covers all the pores that I have. For my eyeliner, I stayed on the thinner side. I don't know why, with St. Patrick's Day look, I love to stay on the thinner side of eyeliner. I pretty much just did a small winged cat eye. I pointed out the inners a little bit, and then I went in with my kohl eyeliner. I don't think I mentioned it, but my headdress is actually from medieval times, and I love it. Really expensive, but I love it. It's my favorite shade of emerald. To balance out the smoky upper lid, I also smoked out some of that olive eyeshadow on the bottom lid. I'm so sad. I really wanted to do a St. Patrick's Day tutorial because I haven't done one in a while, and St. Patrick's Day only comes once a year, and what did I do? Forgot to change the aperture. Good job, Liz. Good job. Terrible. Don't judge me. I'm tired. I really appreciate how my lashes are looking right now. They look pretty long. I don't know if I ever told you guys this story, but my aunt bought me this eyelash curler, and when I used it, it cut off my eyelashes and it just never grew back. And now it's just like, it's looking nice. I don't know why. It's looking nice and I'm liking it. On to the liquid lip. This liquid lip dried out. It's from LA Splash. Had it for a couple of years, I guess, so that would explain why it's very clumpy. I ended up taking an eyeliner that matched the color and go around my lips, and then I cleaned it up with my foundation to give it a more crisper look. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Liz, why are you putting a brush to your face and patting on nothing? I guarantee you I was putting on green eyeshadow for blush. It looked a little too plain, so I had to add some vines to it. After I put on my highlighter, of course. That one I used is from Morphe, and I drew vines with that same lip liner I used, except it's eyeliner. And I created little leafy vines. I thought it would go nice with my headdress too. to give the leaves some depth and color, I used the highlighter that I used for the inner corner and went along one side of the leaf. For the lips, I also put on that highlighter color that I used on the inner lid, and I applied it in the inner corners of my lips. I just think it's really pleasing for my lips because they're a bit on the fuller side. Yay, we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed your St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed my speedy get ready with me makeup edition something video. Total failure. But if you guys want to see the look, I will recreate it again for you. Until next time, guys. Bye!